Welcome back, everyone. We are tracking some dangerous storms in the western parts of Minnesota, well west of Minneapolis. We have a couple of tornado warnings to tell you about, both of them with confirmed and actual sightings of tornadoes. So we're starting off in Chippewa and Renville counties. This tornado warning goes till 5:15. We've had a report of tornado with that. Also near Benson, where Swift County is under a tornado warning. This goes till 5:30 Central. There could be at least quarter-size hail with these storms as well. And to the north of there, we've had a reported tornado in Fairwood, Douglas, and Pope under a tornado warning until the top of the hour. Also following a tornado warning in parts of Maryland as well. You can see the storms just breaking out all over the place. But as we zoom on into Maryland, we continue to follow this storm moving toward the southeast at about 25 miles per hour. Anne Arundel and Calvert counties, you're under a tornado warning till 6, and some rough weather rocking you in Norfolk, Virginia right now. Well,
the local Doppler radar. The local Doppler radar.